your safe space, your happiest place. Create a home you love.
Okay, one of the best reasons to actually purchase Starmark and Fieldstone Cabinetry is one, the product is built top of the line. You're talking about 3/4 inch solid hardwood plywoods. You're talking 1/2 inch backs, top and bottom, 3/4 inch plywood shelves. Full extension, 3/4 inch dovetailed rollouts and trays and drawers. We use only the top wood species that are available when it comes to maple, hickory, cherry, walnut. So that's one reason is the actual build. The second reason is warranty. We guarantee it for life. This isn't a run-of-the-mill kitchen out of one of the big box stores. This isn't one of the imported lines. This is something that is an heirloom that will be kept in your kitchen for the rest of your life. So our designers, such as Remy, are very well versed in what's going to be an old world and or a modern kitchen in a sense that will last forever, because this is an heirloom. This isn't something you're just going to throw away after 5 years. Okay, so that's your second reason. Third reason, I would tell you just go to the website, type in Starmark Cabinetry, look at the reviews. One thing that happens very often is you'll get a really good cheap price, and you'll be disappointed at the end because customer service doesn't follow through with issues. If we have any issues, considering this is a wood product and it touches an amazing amount of hands, 300 people in the factory, 20 people in the design center, and then it actually goes into trucking and everything else. So by the time it gets to you, well over 400 people have handled your kitchen cabinets before you've received them. We have one of the most excellent service teams at the back end, so that we can efficiently and quickly take care of any issue that comes up. So that's your three main reasons. I welcome your order when you're ready to give it to us. Thank you very much.
Thank you for considering Starmark Cabinetry. We are proud to be made in America. We've been producing our cabinets in Sioux Falls, South Dakota for over 35 years and take pride in ownership in every cabinet that we build. Every cabinet has on average of at least 4 hours of work put into it. We allow you to have so much customization available to you that you can make whatever your dreams are come true with your cabinets with us. With our finishes, you have hand done paintbrush strokes. You can have glazing and paint. All of our finishes are oven cured into the top layer of the wood to last a lifetime. We want you to have that premium experience, top of the line, because you as a customer are our top priority. We want you to be happy. We want you to get your dreams. So please consider coming here with Remya, and she will design you the kitchen or bathroom of your dreams.